1, 2, 3. Open it.
Ready?
I'm ready. We just finished doing a review for Lily's Cafe.
Which is right here in the shopping center.
In the same shopping center.
And I was leaving the shopping center and I saw this store that Alexi has been driving me, my mom, and Fredo crazy to come to, which is called
Alexi, don't get mad at us. We had to come in this store.
we were passing by and I didn't know.
Yeah, we were passing by and we were like, let's go check it out for Lexi.
I didn't know it was
She
here.
might
I only
like the
thought there was one in
store.
Boca.
You're not mad at us, are you, Lexi, for coming in here? Don't get mad. We just want to check it out for you. Oh my God, look at that slime. Look at all the slime. Big thing of slime. Look at this. Look at the fidget spinners. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that.
Isn't that cool?
Look at this whole rack of fidgets. Fidgets. Look at all these Popits, Lexi.
The XXL.
Oh, look at that. Lexi's face is probably like this right now.
Ooh, look.
Every corner you turn, you go, ooh, look. Ooh, look. Ooh, look. You're worse than the kids.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh, that is so cool. Alexi would love that. The girls would love that. So
That is
awesome. What?
The slime game.
Oh,
we had one of these,
so
right?
Cool, yeah.
Hey.
What?
So I think because we came in this store, I think we gotta get the girls something.
No!
What do you mean no?
I'm just kidding.
So I think that we should get Alexi. What do you think? Yeah?
You want to get her that?
I think she'll love that.
Aww,
Look, she's right here.
that's so cute.
Her name is Deetra.
Deetra? That's cute. She's for Halloween. She's going to love it. All right,
And
let's
she's
get
an
her that.
octopus.
Okay.
What do you think? She's a new one.
When are we going to get the other two?
I don't know. So much stuff.
There's so much stuff in here. We're going crazy. We don't know what to get.
You should come in my back room and see how much stuff.
Oh, gosh. Just one of our daughter's room is filled with this stuff.
You have to come into my back room and come upstairs to see how much stuff I have.
Oh, that would be so cool. The girls would love it. Can we go in the back to see how much stuff you got? Can we?
I'll give you a peek.
Oh, she's gonna give us a peek. Yes.
We're getting a special.
Let's go. Yes, let's go.
If you are not ready by the time we're checking out,
The girls are gonna go crazy.
we're getting a sneak.
We're getting a sneak peek. Wait. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff, girls.
Look at how cool.
Whoa. All these fidgets. Ooh. That's so cool.
nuts.
They're gonna go crazy. Thank you.
Here's something else.
Oh. Let's go. Just a peek. Just a peek. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, Squishmellows. Whoa, look at
how
all
they're
these.
sucked in the air. How they
Yeah,
come.
that's how they come, vacuum packed.
Vacuum packed, look at that. Look at all these Squishmellows, Lexi. Look at all these.
And they'll be all gone by the weekend.
They will? Oh, wow. They
should.
sell them
Let's put it
quick.
this way, that's my prayer.
That's your prey, right? Yeah, you want to sell those. Look at all these. Look at all those squishmallows. How you doing? Let's go.
That's crazy.
That's so cool. That is
Tell them
awesome.
where we are, that's all.
Yes, yes. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Thank you for the little sneak peek.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
anytime.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
We got a little VIP treatment going in the back. Yes, we did. Lexi, sorry, Lexi. You guys, if you guys don't know about Learning
We haven't gotten it.
Express,
I mean, I know
Learning
they do make, 'cause
Express,
we did have a pink
you guys gotta come check this out. It's Palm Beach Gardens.
The squid.
They have
there's a
everything.
Squid, you know, he's got the little
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything you can think of.
He's in like a periwinkle.
What did you get in the bag?
Huh?
No way, you gonna show it now? No, we're just gonna give them to the kids.
But I got some goodies in here.
Ooh!
Surprise, surprise.
Bye guys, thank you.
Bye.
Bye, see ya. What are you gonna say?
Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
That was a lot of fun.
We knocked out a quick TikTok.
And we got to play in the toy store.
You wanna see the TikTok that we made? Alright, here it goes.
You gon' make me need Bill, know that. Caught dipping with your friend, you ain't even have man lying on you. Know that, got me.
Did you see that?
Tracy, what?
300 subscribers!
Oh my God. You have been dying to get to 300 subscribers for about over a month now. You've been like, oh my God, I'm at 298. Oh my God, I got 299! And then now it was
300 is a big milestone for me.
oh my God, I lost a subscriber. Now I'm back to 298. This is what I go through.
I know I'm gonna
And
lose.
I
know I'm gonna lose one right
what
now.
is with the number 300? Why?
It's just another 100. It's like 100, 200, 300.
I know, but I said
It's
to you,
like
what do
another-
you get at 300? Like you were
Nothing.
so like,
It's just.
you should be like, I want to get to like
I want to
a
get to
million subscribers.
yeah, that's. I don't know if that's ever gonna happen. But if I get to 1,000, that would be great. But now we got 300. I'm happy with 300.
I think we need to play
I'm
with
thankful
toys.
for everybody that subscribes to our channel and
stays.
enjoys and stays and watches the vlog.
I know sometimes he talks too much because he
I
drives
don't talk
me
too
crazy.
much.
Sometimes you do.
I don't.
Well, you've gotten a little bit
Okay,
better. But
and
sometimes you do
yeah,
talk
so
too
it's fun. It's 300.
It's fun.
300. It's great.
much. It's fun.
So we're picking up the kids now, the little ones.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, what's up?
Freezy Deezies.
Freezy Deezy.
How's school?
How was school?
Good, good and hot.
Good and hot.
Why
Was
was
it?
it hot?
Was it hot? Answer your phone. What happened to there?
I just put water on me.
I saw you. I was like, oh, there she is. How did school go?
Good.
You're doing well? You know this is your first week, right? You finished 1 week. We got this whole year to go, so. Close your eyes. Close them.
And put one hand out.
Put one hand out. All of you close your eyes and put one hand out.
Yeah. I don't want it to be like a lizard.
Okay,
Oh my
close your
God.
eyes, put your hand out. Close your eyes, put your hand out. Ready? Mila, stay still. Oh, it's moving. Aria, stay still.
Open until I say.
What is that?
All right, ready?
Yes.
Don't open. Stop. Don't open.
Dad, I know it's your fingers.
Stop. Ready? Don't open.
Daddy, note your fingers.
Don't open yet.
Don't open them. Hold it, but don't open them.
Hold
Hold
it, don't open
it, but don't open them. Hold it, but don't open it. Hold it, but don't open it. Hold it. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. 1, 2, 3. Open it.
Fidget! This can't be it. Oh my God! Oh my God! I've been wanting one of these.
You what?
I've been wanting one of these.
You have?
I got this! I got this! Needohs!
You got the slime liquor.
I got a slime!
Ari. Yeah.
Look.
It's lightning. It's a puppy light. It's a lightning.
Oh, let's see it. I'll get a slime hooker.
You got it?
Yes, I did.
You like it?
It was like, I thought it was a guinea pig, so I was like,
Guinea pig.
and I was like, thank you, Dada.
You're welcome.
I thought it was a snake or a lizard toy, but
Good?
Wait until you see our video.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy, wait till you see our video. Well, you guys probably saw that part already.
can we open it?
What is that slime liquor or sling liquor? What it is? How is it? How does it taste?
I got it! Whoa! Check out this rock!
It's not a blue one.
Little rainbow!
Is it good?
That's all it does.
Oh wow. So they managed to make a deodorant for the mouth.
It's actually sweet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
It says toxic waste on it.
Can I try it?
Oh, this is so exciting!
What? Can you help me open it?
You see a white
Be careful, because it might spill. Give me.
It's sweet. It's sweet. It's good.
Oh, look, she's letting me try it.
Oh.
It will take some time to get out.
Mine is sour.
I got it!
You gotta do it a lot so you can get a good. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sweet, right? It's good.
It's like sweet
What do you
sour.
think, Mila? It's good, right? Have you had those before?
No, they haven't had them yet.
Oh,
I've
right.
been dying for them.
Dad, I love sourness, so and this is sour.
Look at her tongue
Oh, your tongue is blue.
and your chin.
Yeah.
That was so close. What happened?
I don't like going near that.
Oh, so you jumped off? Oh, I thought it tripped.
No.
Oh, okay.
Whenever I ride my skateboard,
Near what?
I hate going near this
Oh, that.
because I get
But you can turn. You can turn. You know how to turn.
close to it, and I'm too close to it.
You can still turn. No, there's not too close. All right, come on, let's go. Went out for a little bit, skateboarding, riding with the girls.
I'm Pennywise.
All right, let's keep riding. Ready? Let's go. Mila, what's about to happen in the sky?
Rain.
Huh?
Rain, lightning, and thunder.
Yeah.
Like last night, I could not sleep.
You couldn't sleep last night?
Nope.
Because of the rain, thunder, and lightning?
Yup. And then I just fell asleep from listening to music.
Really? Car. I think we need to go inside.
We can
heard
go
me?
swimming!
I think we need to go inside. It's about to pour.
It's about to rain.
Rain! Rain!
Rain, rain, go away.
Love you.
Come and get a nosegay.